4:45 a.m. My hiking bag, check. Hiking stick, check. Snacks, check. It's your lovely girl Winnie, and today we are going to hike Nyanduma Forest. So let's go pick our clients. Kama kawaida, the event was organized by Jamia Adventures, and I'm your favorite event organizer. Please go check out our page. This is how it looks in Instagram. Our handle is jamia.adventures, and I'll also leave a link on the description box. So guys, let's talk about Nyanduma Forest. Nyanduma Forest is located inside the southern part of the Aberdare Forest. The journey to our destination was too long. It took us roughly 3 hours, taking us past Githunguri and Kagwe town. From there, I fell in love with the view of the tea farms, though it was a bumpy ride. We finally got to our starting point. Even before we start discussing this type of excursion, key point, you need an armed guard to guide you through the hike. Please watch the entire vlog. You'll understand why you need an armed guard. Back to our hiking excursion. Kama kawaida, warm up and stretches have to be done. And since we were running late, we just stated our names. And also the guide was telling us the do's and don'ts of this forest. So we had to divide ourselves, the team sweeper and the team Subaru. If you don't understand what is team sweeper sweepers are those who hike slow but eventually finish the challenge. Team Subaru, they're the fastest hikers, my friend. Wanasonga kusonga, they don't even take a breather. So as usual, I'm the team sweeper. I have to push my client. So guys, let's do this. 1 foot forward and let's start frog marching. Lol. So what are the types of activities one can participate when visiting Nyanduma Forest? Activity number 1, and my favorite part, hiking. One can hike. So what are the total kilometers one can cover when hiking such trail? So at least one can do 10, and we have a trail that covers 21 kilometers. So as we went for the 21 km, I will rate this type of hike moderate, beginner friendly, baby friendly. Like even a 5-year-old can do the trail. So activity number 2, chasing the waterfall and also Nyanduma Dam. Guys, watch the entire vlog. You'll clearly know why I'm just doing, I fell in love with the waterfall. Activity number 3, do mpararo. If you get it, and if you don't get it, forget about it. Group of schools, do mpararo clearly means you swim in the river. Activity number 4, which is dangerous, and you also need an armed guide, and also he will guide you through, is watching the elephants. Maina, let me tell you, niliona kifo na macho, lakini that is a story for another day. Things to carry and also what to expect when hiking Nyanduma Forest. So let's start with what to carry. Number 1, water. Hydrate. It's important. Honey, kunywa hiyo maji and mind the trails. Number 2, snacks. Chakula ni muhimu. So what I usually carry as a Luya girl, si ugali. So my main snacks are always njugu, groundnuts, apple, dates, and banana. But in our team, we believe in the power of sharing is caring. Mtu jipata amekula all types of fruits and healthy snacks. Number 3, if you're planning to do mpararo, please carry your swimming costume. but for me maji imezidi karai, hapana, it's a no. So if you're out there and you know how to teach someone to swim, tafadhali kuja unifundishe. Number 4, apply sunscreen. Even if you are hiking in the middle of the inside the forest, and jua si ile kali, honey, skincare routine is a must. Number 5, proper hiking gear. Don't come with your rubbers, ngomas, and jeans and expect to hike such a trail. Number 6, spirit of adventure. Yes, have your spirit of adventure and enjoy the trail. I hope you're all enjoying our Nyanduma vlog as I tell you the do's and don'ts of this hike. If yes, please leave a like. And if it is the first time viewing our vlog, karibu sana to the Adventurers Family Kenya. And remember to subscribe. Hit that red button. To my returning viewers, menze, I usually say, kama si nyinyi, I couldn't be doing such vlogs. And thank you so much for the love and for the support. And guess what? Road to 2,500 subscribers. Yahoo! Makofi, back to business. What to expect when hiking Nyanduma Forest? The terrain is beginner friendly, as I stated earlier on. However, some parts are slippery and steep, which is expected. Kama umewai hike parts of Aberdare's any hill or mountains, you clearly know. If not, month of April and May, we as the Jamia Adventures, we are having Aberdare's hike challenge. We are hiking all the mountains and hills and parts of Aberdare. So feel free and talk to us. I will leave our mobile number in the description box. Number 2, what is the duration of the hike? 6 hours. And my queue, we spent a lot of time in the waterfall, like just taking pictures. We did not swim, just taking good pictures and videos. Estimated kilometers, as I said, was 21 kilometers. So another thing, the walk in the forest is a natural therapy to any healing soul. Not forgetting the sounds of the birds and elephant. Back to the trail.
My appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Napa mnatembea haraka.
Well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You chilling in the rain. some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain.
So guys, we are on our way to the waterfall. First of all, let me just prep you. Going down the hill is a nightmare. It's a slippery path, so watch out. Carry your hiking stick if you have to walk on your fours. Sorry, my camera person alisahau ku record when we were going down to the waterfall. We walked on our fours. Even the hiking stick was not necessary, you know. You gotta do what you have to do. So guys, watch out. And then also going up to the main trail from the waterfall, it's a hill itself, so watch out. So let's continue. 6 hours later, congratulations teams, you hiked. 6 hours later, congratulations team, you hiked Nyanduma Forest. Total kilometers covered 21. In case you'd like such an excursion, feel free and DM us. Our mobile number is 0795 601 403 and I will organize for you the entire trip. It is the Adventurers Family Kenya. Dare us with any adventure. Till next time, go green and take care of our sweet environment. I'm back. Watch out for the next vlog. Toodles!